Hi everyone, this is Tina from M-Triangel factory. Today we are going to show you a new tool. From iPhone 8 to iPhone 12 Pro Max, they are using glass for iPhone back cover. And we do believe they will always use glass for iPhone back cover because glass is very good for signal transmission, like 5G. So the demand for iPhone back cover repair is increasing. So laser machine is no longer a new technology in the phone repair industry, but some new beginners will face problems when they are using laser machine, like they burned frame or they burned camera. So our protection mode will solve this problem perfectly. With this effective model, you can replace your iPhone back cover easily and perfectly. Now, let's have a look of our protection mode. It is made by acrylic sheet, so it is very light, so it's good for overseas transportation. And for this protection mode, it is all-in-one mode. You don't need to put 2 parts or 3 parts to work. And what's more, we put silicone on the surface to avoid some important parts like wireless charger and camera, for which parts you don't want the laser damage. Now let's see how it works with our laser machines. M-Triangel protection mode and our laser machine, you will repair your iPhone back cover safely and perfectly. So see you next time. Bye.